kicks out, and away we go.
Welcome back to Junior Master Builder. This is your Mithrin. Today, we'll be taking LEGO Stunts to the next level with one of the wildest LEGO sets ever built. The LEGO City Dunk Stunt Ramp Challenge, 60359. Get ready for speed, style, and a few epic crashes, all built, tested, and mastered. Are you ready? As I connect each LEGO piece, the ramp begins to take shape. Sleek curves, bold colors, and that iconic LEGO stunt vibe. Every click of a LEGO brick brings this challenge to life, because in the world of LEGO stunts, creativity is the only rule. Meet the LEGO daredevils of the day, a LEGO fearless stunt rider, his LEGO orange stunt bike, and a LEGO audience ready for action. The LEGO bike revs up, tires spinning, ramp gleaming, and the crowd roaring. 3, 2, 1. In the heart of LEGO City, the arena is ready. 2 LEGO launch ramps, 1 LEGO flaming hoop, and a single LEGO stunt bike that dares to fly. This isn't just about building. It's about timing, precision, and pure LEGO madness. And he's off. the LEGO stunt bike launches into the air, spins mid-flight, and almost sticks the landing. Okay, maybe not the perfect landing. A few LEGO pieces went flying. And so did our confidence. But hey, that's the fun of it. Build it, break it, build it again. Because every LEGO crash is just a story in motion. Don't you agree? Comment what you think. Another LEGO challenge built and conquered, because every LEGO set is more than just bricks. It's imagination in motion. Subscribe for more LEGO stunts, LEGO builds, and LEGO adventures, all crafted one brick at a time. Until then, bye-bye from Mithrin, your LEGO Junior Master Builder.